Tell them so we are growing a bush. Are you there for your mommy neck? Not true. So guys, see we are growing a bush. Growing a Scooby bush. Welcome back to another video. So today we have grown a bush. And this is sweet pepper, guys. I did to see.
So like this.
So guys, this is 1,000 seed, a sweet pepper seed we did sow. So guys, see it here. Plant them out. Sweet pepper them really nice. Oh, I'm impressed. Cause look here, so guys, we have sweet pepper. Yeah, and we have tomato, nice tomato tree. But them go right back down there, so well nice and pretty.
I'm not sure if it's pretty.
But that's much pepper in plant. Pepper them nice, like really nice. And this tomato. See pepper them there, guys. Really nice. And two tomato in a hit. So you clean up how we handle it. Really nice. As I can see, my growing a bush. Bush what in call it gully. So we're on one next part, so I'm going to show no. Me and Kejani and walk around because him already round there. And we just go round here, so I'm going to carry no with me go round here. Fish one no type of bush we are walk through. So guys, me and Kejani are growing a bush now. Kejani up on my neck. And we are going to go round there because Kejani can't walk to go round there. So I have to carry him. Yeah. I have on my water boot and pants. Can you go round there with me? Next. Me and Kejani a long time I don't come up here so. To go round this, I come and look at the bush. So guys, please remember to like, share the video, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, because we'll be real, we don't know, we are giving all of the content, them we put out, all the things that we do at the time, yeah. We are giving a video, here Kejani talk. Tell them to subscribe to Daddy and Mommy Farm, tell him. Tell them to subscribe.
So, no one's on the serious. On the other side. So, it's just
So guys, they can't sit down there, so you can see somebody else work down there. So basically, somebody work out there. So can you stop now? Continue the journey for what growing. The bushes could be my work. So yeah. It's a lot of walking. Kejani, you go walk, show them so you can walk around there. Guys, Kejani take a little walk now. Me tired now, man. Go on. Me will put it on my back. Go on. Me soon put it on my back. Go on now. Your birds are my chirp. Guys, see a pear bush. Walk through pear bush. Bush on each side and look up such a king. Go on now. Kejani don't want to walk. Alright, vlog me then sister you walk. Go on.
No.
You know vlog?
No.
Alright. So go on man, walk up. Come.
No.
You soon reach your daddy, daddy we soon reach. You straight to so reach your daddy, come.
Yes.
Guys in the back for a minute because he saying don't want to walk. See you hear my chat again about guys, so and he saying never did a go vlog. Look.
No. You is so. All you see, all you made, all you see, all you see,
So we actually reach.
no,
Tired.
you
We actually
don't
reach.
walk. No, does he don't walk?
You don't want to walk.
Does he don't walk?
Okay.
He doesn't.
See the reach that bush.
No, does he walk?
So basically we soon reach.
No, does he don't walk?
So
No,
I keep
does
on
he
there right
don't
up this way.
walk?
And then we'll go reach now.
Does he
But
don't
a good look a
walk?
walk for reach one is still.
And does he don't walk?
Tapping eyes now, no?
No, what does he don't walk? Walk. No, no walk.
So we reach now. So now pass the road or a different place, the road there.
No, does he don't walk?
Get on the tapping eyes now.
No,
So guys we reach now, which part we are go? So down here so we are go. We're showing how we are. But we reach now one part and now one part. We are on one place. So basically we reach now. So that is it. So basically at this a piece of land I'm gonna burn out. I'm gonna plant a pumpkin or something, but this a land I'm gonna burn out. Yeah, this. So I'm gonna burn it from up, so go straight down this. So basically we reach where we are going now. So I'm showing you so we reach. Still have to go right up at the top because basically up at the top there and there. So I'm showing you so we reach. Come on. Oh, we don't last like that at the end.